Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about some amazing iPhone 16 series phone cases from a company called Arts Evo. Now, Arts Evo focuses on two things with their cases. One, protection. Really excellent shock-proof protection with all their cases. And two, style. They have some of the coolest and most unique cases and so many different designs and patterns and colors that anyone can find a case that is going to be great for them and fit their taste and personality. And today I'm going to be looking at three different styles of cases, and then some of them are MagSafe, some of them are not MagSafe, and I have several different colors or designs within each of those styles so that you can kind of get an idea of all the different cases they have, because they literally have hundreds of different designs of cases. Again, because they're focusing on two things: one, protection, and two, style and look. So let's jump over where we can take a really close look at all these different types of cases that they offer.
This is the Arts Evo Shock-Proof Clear Case. Clear, but colored, because true to their goal of making cases that not only protect your phone, but allow you to express yourself, these clear cases come in a multitude of colors, a lot of different colors. These are just two of the many color options that you have. And again, these are available for the iPhone 16 series phones. They have a nice, soft TPU material, and they're very grippy. But you'll see on the inside here, they have that extra layer in the corners, the sides, and there's like a little airbag-like pockets in there, little grooves, little air pockets, so that if your phone were to hit in the corner on the side, it's not, the full impact isn't hitting the full side of your phone because of those little cutouts that give you this little slight air cushion to give you an even extra protection, which is really cool. So I'm going to get this on my phone. I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but again, they make these cases for all of the iPhone 16 series phones, and you can see it is clear. You can see the Apple logo through there. Nice protection, cool style with those stripes that are on the side that are also protecting your phone. Taking a look at the camera, you can see you've got that nice raised bezel above the camera to protect that if you lay it down flat. Also, on the front, you've got that slight raised bezel all the way around the front, so even if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to be protected. And looking at the cutouts, you can see great cutouts. Speaker is unimpeded, as well as the power port there on the side. Over here, you've got a nice cover for your power button, and then nice cutout, and you can see it's a grooved cutout that will allow not just for pressing that button, but also sliding your finger easily on that button. You can see how it's grooved there. Switching over to the other side, you can see you've got the covers for the action button as well as your volume rockers, and all that has a nice tactile feel to it. Really great and easy to use. Anyway, it's the shockproof clear case, and again comes in a multitude of different colors, available for all the iPhone 16 series phones, and a way to protect your phone but allow the beauty of your phone to shine through, but add a little color to your personal taste and personality. Here I have the ArmorGuard translucent matte MagSafe case from Arts Evo. These are German thermoplastic polyurethane material cases. They have airbag-like cushions for protection, and they are made with anti-yellowing material so that it will hold the color and will not yellow over time. These are available in a lot of different colors. I have two colors here as samples to show you. But they are available in a lot of different colors because Arts Evo wants to make cases that not only protect your phone, but also allow you to express yourself and have cases that, express your personality and that you like the look of. So they make these in a lot of different colors, and they're available for all the iPhone 16 series phones. I have the 16 Pro Max, so that's what we're going to put this on. Of course, you can see that you do have that MagSafe magnet there, really strong magnet, and we will check that out. If you look here, you're going to see, it's hard to see, but along the top there, there's these little extra sort of air pocket cushions, these little cutouts around the edge, so that if your phone were to hit on the edge there, it wouldn't be a solid hit. Those air cushions provide extra, just a little extra protection against a drop, which is great. And you've got these cool, kind of cool design on the side here. the different, sort of the translucent with the less translucent there. So let's get this on my phone so we can see what it looks like on my phone. And there you go. And you can see it is translucent. You can still see the Apple logo through that, which is nice. Fingerprints, not a problem on a translucent case like this, matte finish, so it doesn't show fingerprints, which is really great. I love that the MagSafe magnet is in the same color theme as the rest of the case. That's kind of a cool touch. And yeah, really, just a really cool look to it. And let's look at some of the protective features. You've got that raised bezel to protect your camera lenses. Also on the front, nice raised bezel around the front to make sure if you lay your phone down flat, it's protected. It's pretty grippy. Not gonna be slipping out of your hand. Nice as far as that goes. You can see you've got sort of a slightly lighter contrasting color for the buttons, which is cool. This is a power button cover, nice tactile feel to it. Over here you've got the cutout for the camera button, and they give you this nice groove so that you can not just press that but also slide your finger on it, since that's part of what you do with that one. Looking at the bottom, you've got great cutouts for the speakers, so you get full sound, as well as for your power port to be able to power up without any issues. And then over on this side, again, you've got that slightly contrasting color, which is cool for the volume rockers and the action button, and nice tactile feel to those as well. Let's test those magnets out. I've got a MagSafe charger here. Put it on there, gonna shake it around. Holds, grips, no problem at all. So you can tell magnets are good and strong. It's not going to slide off if you're using it on a magnetic mount in your car or something. You'll be good to go. So MagSafe works great. Really excellent protection and cool case, and really cool look by Arts Evo. That's the Armor Guard translucent matte MagSafe cases for the iPhone 16 series phones. Here we have what I consider to be the flagship cases for Arts Evo. This is the Arts Evo VitaGuard case, and it can be had with or without MagSafe. This one has MagSafe, obviously. You can see that there. This one does not. So you can get it either way depending on what you want. And these are available in literally hundreds of designs. These are just two designs here, but there are hundreds of designs available. So you can find the case that works for you, that expresses your personality, and that's what they're all about. They're all about developing cases that provide great protection, shockproof protection to protect your iPhone 16 series phone, but also allow you to express your personality. So lots of different cool styles for these VitaGuard cases. Now these have some really cool features to them. Look inside here. It's nice microfiber. It's nice microfiber backing, so when you put your phone in there, the back of your phone is going to be nice and protected, and that's awesome. And then there's also, you can see the contrasting color in there, and those are little air pockets. You can see little divots in there that give you just a little extra protection with those air pockets, so that if you were to drop your phone, it's not a solid hit because of those little grooves that are cut out of there. It provides a nice airbed-like cushion for protection, which is great. And yeah, really, definitely a cool looking case. Let's get one of these on my phone. I'm going to use the MagSafe case so that we can test that out as well. Get my phone in there, and you can see right away, of course, I always accidentally power on my phone as I'm putting it in a case, but you can see right there, look, nice raised bezel, so if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to be protected. And you can see this is just a slightly thicker case. This case really wants to give you good protection, so it's not like a super thin case, but it doesn't add a lot of bulk. It's enough to make sure you're being protected, which is great. Flipping it over on the back, you can see you've got a raised bezel to protect your camera lenses when you lay it down flat. Moving over to the side, you've got button cover there, and you can see it's like just a little cover, but nice tactile feel, easy to hit that. And then you've got your cutout for the camera button, and it's not just a cutout, it's also a groove. See if you can see that. It's hard when it's black, it's hard to pick that up, but there you go. You can see that it's grooved out so that you can slide your finger across it, because you don't need to just press that button. You also need to slide to get all the features, and there's this groove cut out so that it allows you to do that, which is great. On the bottom here, you've got perfect cutouts for your speakers as well as your power port so that you have great sound and easy access to power your device. And then over on the other side, again, you have those same type of covers for the volume rockers and the action button over here. Nice tactile feel on those as well. So really excellent design, going to give you great protection with those little air cushions on the inside, the microfiber on the back, but then also really cool artistic look, which is really what sets these cases apart. And again, they do have the non-MagSafe version. I tend to stick with MagSafe cases because I use MagSafe a lot. So let's check that out, make sure that their MagSafe lives up to the hype. I'm going to put a nice charger on there, and we're just going to see. If you had this on a car mount in your car and you're going over a bumpy road, it's going to stick. Magnets on there are nice and strong, so it's going to hold really, really well. So MagSafe works great on these as well. So a really excellent set of cases by Arcevo. Again, these are the VitaGuard, and these are just 2 of hundreds and hundreds of designs that they have, so that you can find the design that works for you and your personality and that you want on your phone.
So you can see, they have so many different types of cases, and then within each different type, they have lots of different colors or hundreds of different designs so that you can find a case that works for you, a case that gives you the look you want, the protection you want, but also, you know, connects with your personality and your style and something that you will like and enjoy having your phone in, and will also protect it. Really excellent cases from Arcevo. If you're looking for a case that is a little unique, a little different, that really kind of says this is your case, this is not a generic case, then Arcevo is definitely a company that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in these products, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about the cases, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.